Hello, sir. We are the group presenter of the Gold Coast 13, and we have chosen the topic of the leveraging an ESP system for the business advancement. And we have chosen the Azura Fashion as a case study, and we are just gone. And there we are chosen in an introduction. It has a loyal customer. It has Azura has a loyal customer in the world fashion capital on the multiple continents. Azura is a leading fashion company with a wide culture and ready-to-wear accessories and lifestyle products. Azura has right innovations and authenticity and cooperative social responsibility standard with its diversified portfolio. And in the next slide, the Azura Fashion Group was like the fast-paced competitive fashion companies before deploying the ERP system. Troubled, the company has to overcome the inefficient supply chain, fragment operations, and the lack of visibility into essential business process to adapt, expand, and flourish in the digital age. And in the challenge faced by the Asuras, the discrepancies in the product availability and pricing and promotion may annoy and even drive away in the store shoppers who prefer online shoppings, documentation requirements, and start system design and integration. Azure ERP system was customized. The organization prioritizes interaction with its current system and the third party have to improve the data flow and the IT infrastructure accountability. And as we discuss about the multi-channel sales management challenges, the senior management of the Azura conduct a cost benefit study to determine the financial implication of the implementing an ERP system. We also assess the predicted returns on the investment ROI in terms of decreased expenses, increased revenue, and enhanced performance in the capital requirement for the software licensing, infrastructure upgrades, and installation service. And Azura ERP, the implementation risk assist and mitigation study identified possible concerns. Data migration systems and integration and change resistance are the risks, and the organization to the safeguard establish contamination plans to minimize the any complications. Now the another members Kavita has to present the more of the slide, so we are transferred to it.
डायरेक्ट वीडियो से डायरेक्ट बोलना स्टार्ट कर दो।
आ जाएंगे चालू छो।
Hello, my name is Kavita. So I am starting decision making process. So my slide is an Azure ERP implementation risk assessment and mitigation study identified. Possible concern: data migration system integration and change the resistant are risk. So I am starting next slide. Implementation strategy. Azure conducted extensive requirements gathering season with them as an RRP vendor and implementation partner. Many user groups and departments were invited to these events. The ERP solution was customized to Azure business processes, workflow and industry standards. Azure Fashion Group business operation budget and culture. Investing in ERP software was assessed. The decision-making process involved stakeholders discussion throughout evaluation and careful consideration to match with the company's value, mission and long-term goals. So I started next slides, which is the evaluation and implementation. The analysis evaluated the system utility, usability, and compatibility with user needs by collecting feedback and assessing user pleasure, which led it to adoption and certification. Azure socialized feedback from all business levels to improve the system and address user complaints. ERP technology would help them meet client demands, they said. Lee and Kim and Chen examine multi-channel sales management and product lifecycle management and complexity. This study shows the value of ERP solution and in process optimization, innovation, and profit maximization. Graceria and Wen Lee found that ERP system analytics and financial management can boost performance and competitiveness. Now I started key stakeholders involved, which is up talk about Azure kept his ERP vendor and implementation partner informed throughout and installation process. The implementation partner offered project management, training, and change management, while the vendor provided expertise, tailor software, and support. Azure Fashion Group was like other fast pursuit competitive fashion companies before deploying ERP system trouble. The company had to overcome insufficient supply chains, fragmented operation, and a lack of visibility into essential business process to adapt, expand, and flourish in the digital age. Thank you so much. I'm transferred my slides my other friends.
Hello, my name is Kanal. In next slide, introduction in a future action, continuous process and optimization. Azure Fashion Group was like other fast and pressured competitive fashion and companies before deploying ERS system. Trouble the company had to overcome inefficiency, supply chains and fragmented operation and a lack of visibility into the extension business and process to adapt it, expand and flourishing in the digital age. Enterprise and resourcing planning ERP. Technologies have been torrented by the fashion industry, yet many still struggling to the implement and the use theme Azure Fashion Group like other fashion companies. Department and location overcome change, restraining and connect technology with business goals. Enterprise research planning systems should be fully implemented by Azure Fashion Group to improve operation and efficiency, strategic designation, making and long-term growth. And next slide. Future action investment in advancing analytics. The challenge of synchronizing sales across the channel hinders Azure Fashion Group's efforts to improve operation efficiently and consumer focus. Azure can slow integration issues, fosters cross channels collaboration, and create new methods to make money and differentiate its a brand by investing in a technology, process, and organization competency and strategic elements, innovation, and customers' value may by help Azura Fashion Group overcome multiple channel sales management issue and stay ahead in the fast present fashion sectors. And next slide introduction by
And now I'm just Nikhil Patel has to carry out the further slide. So in the future action integration with the emerging technologies in Azure, so disparities in the product availability, pricing, or the promotion may annoy and even driving away in the store shoppers who prefer online shopping. Azure social media and e-commerce customers want a seamless transition from the online store to the offline store, and Azure abilities to adjust quickly to market movements, capitalize on emerging trends, and decrease risks in the further hampered by disparate nature of inventory sales and customer data. The lack of current and accurate data makes pricing plan, resource allocation, and marketing effort targeting the specific customers. Because of this, the company is struggling to maximize income and stay competitive. And in next slide, the future actions are the what the companies providing to the future content, and Azure should investigate in the integrated blockchain for the in the future to gather the more and more customer attraction. And in the as we move on, in the conclusion, Azure planned for a success by considering ERP technology, financial statistics, and organizations' impact on the change. For Azure to learn about the various ERP systems, it needs outside professionals and technological partners Azura learned about the features, capability, and needs for adopting the numerous ERP systems about through the vendor investigation, product demos, and the reference check. The company should make educated judgment and meet in the long-term goal. And there are the references for the we are chosen the data for making the PPT, and that's all. Thank you. And we are the three of the students named the Kavita, Kanal, and me, Nikhil Patel, presenting this presentation about the leveraging IT in the form of ESP of Azura fashions. Thank you.